Hey guys, today we're gonna be smashing the phone we're recording with. No, I'm just kidding, guys. We're not gonna be smashing this phone. We're gonna be smashing these trash phones, obsolete junk. Yay! And yes, I got new shoes, and I'm wearing a new hoodie you've never seen me wear before, and new shorts. So everything I'm wearing is new. So we're gonna be smashing these. And I got these from my friend Steve. He gave it to me because they were actually broken. Let's see if this one works. Oh, come on. Here. Does this one work? Oh, what? Hear that? Well, it was doing something. Oh yeah, there's a red light. We're gonna be starting smashing this. Ooh, look, an antenna. Hello? Can you hear me now? Huh? Why isn't that working? Dang it. Stupid phone. That piece was just standing up, and now it won't stand up anymore. Yay. It still turns on. Let's start smashing it. Drop 3 feet. 3, 2, 1. Something fell. This thing, I'm not gonna put it back on. Seems fine. Alright. What's this button? Oh, there's just a bunch. Okay. Corner. 3, 2, 1. Bouncy boy. Does that still connect? Yup. What about where the antenna is? It seems fine. Just scuffs. And now front side. No, I already did front side. Back side. 3, 2, 1. 5 feet. Ooh, look. Battery cover came off. Get back in. Alright. No damage. Alright, let's do the slam down. Actually, ludicrous. Oh my god. I left the door. Hold on a minute. Yeah, so like the thing I put my phone on to stand up, I just forgot to close the door for the little issue. Ludicrous. Ooh. That sounded very loud. Oh. I managed to shatter the oh god, that was terrible. I managed to shatter the screen. And something, yeah, managed to shatter, and it's splitting. Better do that again. That was epic. Oh, jeez. No, that ain't good. Alright, so this time the damage, this came off. Yeah, we can put that back on. Wait. Ugh, freaking hate battery covers. Alright. Yeah, this came off and starting to come off. Can I put it back on? Yes, I can. And let's just do the slam down test. Oh god. Let's do slam down test. 3, 2, 1. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. Fell in the freaking flush. Gotta get it now. I haven't seen it yet. Let's see how bad it is. Seems fine, just more scuffs and rattling. Let's still detect it. What? Is it dead? No. No, it does not. It detects it that it's dead. Let's hit the antenna. Let's get the antenna off. Ooh. Eee. Ooh, no. Oh, no, supposed to connect to other people? I don't know, it just went flying. And let's just finish it. Side hit. Oh, God, dude. Let's shatter the screen to a million pieces. Oh yeah, that shattered it. Let's hit it more. Oh yeah, it's pretty beautiful. Really beautiful. Oh jeez. Oh man, pieces. Ooh, look. It still won't get open. Let's hit the bottom where the charging port is. Oh, come on. Finally. Oh, come on. There's still screws in. Freaking dust. Oh, look. It's a pretty good high quality speaker for epic hearing. Hey, it's a speaker. Doesn't go. Okay. I'm trying to. Stupid thing won't. Like I'm hitting the screen. Should I freaking? Still not. And I still don't get signal. Looks like that method on YouTube wouldn't work. Dang it. It's still flashing light. Let's finish off it. Not even gonna do anything interesting for this. Not at all. Ooh, let's get the antenna off. Also, my day at school is half a day. Oh no, now how am I supposed to get signal? Wow, did that kill it? I'm not seeing any green lights on it. Oh, come on! Did that really kill it? Wow. Oh, wait. Oh no, it was just loose. The thing was just loose. In use? More like in Blowtown. I couldn't come up with anything. A little bit of rattling. Still works. Yeah, still works. You can't even see this damn thing. You can see it. Okay. Let's do this. I should have used this on the freaking phone, but I didn't. Oof. It hit right where the circuit was. Not sure if it works or not. Does it still work? Because there's a big hole right here. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. It still works. It still works. Oh, stupid freaking. Of course it still works. Of course. This thing is powerful. Like, it's really powerful. Like, look at this. Oh my god, it still works! What the actual what? Whoa, a little bit of flipping right there. Vibration. Let's just bring the bat out. Let's finish it. I feel like this does. Oh, it works. It still works. You can't see it properly, but it still works. Like, how the green light is still blinking. Blinking. Wow. Blinking. It says Energy Star. No wonder it still works. It's dead. It's finally dead. And I can see why. You can see the circuit is kind of screwed. Yep, it's garbage. How do I stand this? There. Not right, you stand it up. What? That didn't do anything. Yeah, let's just use the hammer. Back, you kid. Thank you for listening. Alright, yeah, this thing's garbage. So now, we're gonna focus on the second one. And where's the adapter for this? Here it is. Oh look, this one actually, like, there's a display on it. Wait, there was a display? There was a display. If you saw that. Here we go. Display. Yeah, there it is. Ooh. Hey. In use. Hey, look, an antenna. Let's break. Let's just do drop test on this. Three, two. Let's just skip the 5 feet. Backside. 3, 2, 1. Is it still working, the thing? Yep. And corner side. 3, 2, 1. Ooh, bouncy. No rattling. Still works. And now where the antenna is. 3, 2, 1. Oh, look. This piece fell off. Let's do it again. Front side. 3, 2, 1. Battery cover flew off. I had to put that back on. Panasonic. Does it still work? Yep. Still tight. Still has sound. Kind of. Okay. Yeah. Hey, look, it's on. Now, let's do the ludicrous. Okay, then. Let's do the ludicrous, as I was saying. Not what I wanted to do at all. Get the chandelier, but no damage. Freaking Panasonic. I want the bracket. Thanks. It still works. Let's do that again. 3, 2, 1. That's what I want right there. I wonder if the screen is cracked like it did on the other one. No, I don't think, no, it's not. It still works. Yeah, it still works. So we have to do that again. I'm not sure if my leg was blocking that. Why does everything keep getting hit? It's splitting. Can I put that back together? Yes, I can. Haven't seen the front. It's fine. Does it still work? Yeah. Yeah, it still works. Whatever. Here's the last thing. Yeah, okay, I'm done with that. one more for this thing. Just one more. Finally. Okay, now I'm done with this. Let's do the slab down. I didn't do that. Okay. Is it cracked? I don't even know. No. It's fine. It's completely fine. And it still works. Nice. Let's break off the antenna and see what happens. Great. This sounds like a more rubberish material. Okay, I can't break it off. I just recognized this switch is gone. It's completely gone, so I don't know where that went. Let's just hit it with the hammer. Let's hit it lightly with the hammer. Like this. And then like this. Harder. And now the reverse. Does it work? Of course it works. It still works. Oh my god. I'm gonna murder this thing so badly. I don't know what else to do to kill it. That's all I could think of. It's splitting. How about if I put it in without this splitting? Oh yeah, it still works. God dang it, you freaking. So what about the speaker? Let's hit the speaker! Still works. Well, the speaker still works, so. Okay. I busted it pretty good. Come on. It still works, you freaking die. Oh, that's in there. There's no way that works. There's like no possible way. Oh my god, it works. Okay. If this works, I will literally slam this phone down 10 times. Okay. Promise is a promise. I'm gonna slam it down 5 because I don't want it to break it. 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's see if it works. Oh my flipping god. I will. I don't know what else to kill it. I literally don't know what else to do. Let's just do this. Oh. Works. Oh my god. I think it's finally dead. Yeah. I killed it. Let's hit the screen finally. Oh my god, I just cracked the plastic. I didn't do anything to the actual LCD. Oh crap. Oh no. It just fell down there. Hold on a minute. Oh no. After a bit of work, I got it. Oh man. You can tell by the leaf it fell on the thorn bushes. I just used this. So we're just gonna use this. I don't care. What do I? Oh, come on, you freaking piece of garbage. Okay. not so tough now, eh? I hit it where the screen was. I think that's more crap than the last one. Yeah, it doesn't work anymore. It doesn't work. It definitely is broken. I can see why, probably. I'm not sure yet. Put on the battery cover. Okay. So a green light on the dock still is green, so this means it's still living. So you know what I have to do. Dang it, you. Okay, that's underwhelming. There is absolutely no way that this lives. Oh! There's a light! There's a light! Wow! There's a light. There's a light! I'm not kidding, there's a light. Okay. Time to end it. Yep. No light. No light. There is no light. Which means I killed it. Jump off a bridge. Not fans. This thing. Freaking die. Wow, the screen is pretty durable. Jeez, I've been hitting it. It's like, get the stick. I'm done. Now onto this thing, the dock. I don't know if this thing works. Like, I genuinely don't know. Also got this help sticker on the bottom, poison help. Oh, it's all green light. Okay, let's just finish. Let's just straight up one-shot it. That wasn't what I meant by one-shot, but it's definitely rattling in there. See if it still works. I don't even know. I don't care, and I don't care. So let's just. Ow. Okay. That's way cheaper than the last one. Don't attack my phone. You're just a piece of old ancient tech that nobody cares about. Ow! Pinch me! Oh, look. Which one is way older than the other one? Judging by what type of circuit it is. Yeah, so this is basically it. I can still press this button. Let's change that. Oh, it's a rubber. Alright, I'm done with this. Yeah, I'm done with this. Thank you guys for watching. Comment, like, and subscribe. And I'll see you next time. Bye. God,